We're gonna do a cheats version of chili oil noodles.
And I test the recipes on the internet so you don't have to.
Water's boiling, noodles going.
Water's boiling, noodles going. Get on
Now
it.
get our bowl, put our mix in. You can use as much or as little of this as you want. I'm gonna go just a bit over half.
I'm gonna go maximum, baby. Because I'm compensating. Also, this is my first mistake. I wanted to add the vegetable packet because I thought I'd be skinning with vegetables, but he doesn't add the veggies, and for good reason, and I'll show you why later.
Garlic, and that goes.
Garlic, and that goes.
So we want to cook these noodles for just a couple of minutes. I'm going to pull these noodles off, and while we're draining them, we're going to heat a fry pan up.
Drain my noodle, but not in a fun way. Heat up my fry pan. Also not fun.
The other thing we're going to do is put some oil into this saucepan, and we're going to start heating that up.
More saucepans and oil. This is a lot of multitasking for a man.
You can tell your oil's hot enough when you put your chopsticks in and they start to fry.
I just realized I put my chopsticks in the wrong pan. I'm testing the wrong oil.
In goes our egg.
Oh, the one-hand egg crack. I really want to be able to do that. I can't do that. I ruined that yolk. And remove the shell.
The oil's nice and hot, straight onto the spices and garlic.
Now the veggies I added in earlier, they go clumpy with the oil, so I don't recommend you do that. Probably just listen to the chef.
And add a little bit of soya, a little bit of black vinegar, another mix.
A little bit of soya, a little bit of black vinegar, and give it a mix.
Noodles back in. Make sure that's all coated in that nice spicy oil.
Noodles back in and give them a coating of that nice spicy oil.
Then to finish, our spring onions and a nice crispy egg.
Guys, this took the noodles to the next level. I'm never making noodles the regular way ever again. Follow me so I can make more internet recipes. Love you, bye.